Assalamu-Alaikum everyone. This is Naz with Hijabz&You with another tutorial. How are you today? I hope inshallah you're doing good. By the mercies of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, each one of you are doing good. We make every moment count. Yes. I would like to welcome all of you to my channel, Hijabz&You. For those of you that have been with me from inception or just, joining me along this journey, I thank you so much. Your love and your support means a whole lot. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward each and every one of you for being with me on helping me to build this platform. And for those that are new here today or that are just passing by or stopping by and has come across my channel, I hope you like what you see. If this is not your thing, just stay. Stick around. You might like something. But if it's not, please, I thank you for visiting and hope you'll stay to the end. Yes, I hope so. Well, today's tutorial is a very easy, quick one. It's what I'm wearing. It's feeling nice. You see the sun coming through the window? It's beautiful. When the sun comes out, you just feel everything changes around you. Everything becomes brighter. Yes, the sun brings the brightness. And it makes the heart even happier. Alhamdulillah, by the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We still have our COVID restrictions. We still have to be vigilant. But we have to be thankful for every moment as well. So let's continue to do that. Be thankful and stay with me because I'd like to show you how I got this look. It's really, I think it's beautiful. The scarf is beautiful. It's a rectangular scarf. It's got a bit of a satiny feel to it. The color is so beautiful. And the style that I have today is a little bit of a different one. But it's so easy. It's so quick. And I'm hoping that once you look at it, you will try it. This is my intention. All you sisters that are looking at me will eventually try the styles that I'm trying to show you. Everyone is different. They may have a little variation, whatever it is. Please make an effort to try it so that you will like what you see and you'll be able to experience what I'm showing you. Yes, make a pledge to yourself that yes, when Naz shows me a new tutorial, I'm going to try it. Listen, you're standing in front of your mirror and you're trying it. It's for you, not for anyone else but you. And you are important to you. So make sure you take care of you. And this is for you. We are hijabis and we have to be proud of who we are. And it's a respectful thing. Look at how beautiful that is. And if I want even full coverage, even more coverage, the way the scarf is tied, it's wrapped, you can have extremely full coverage. You can bring it up a bit. You can fool around with it however you like. So the options are there for each one of you, what your preference is. So stay with me as I show you how I got this look. Okay, so let's begin. It's quite easy, quite simple, and hopefully we can get this in one try because it's a new style that I'm doing, and even for myself, it takes a little bit of practice. I'm not perfect at this at all. I just like the hijab and I like wrapping the hijab, and I am very, very, very proud of my hijab. So I try to get a new style in every so often and experiment with it. So for you, as much as it's new for you, it's new for me as well. So it's trial and error. Yes, trial and error. We try, we make error, we fix it, we do it again. That's it. It's simple as that. And you know what? It's for you. That's it. It's for you. So today I've got my ninja on. It's one of the large ones that has full coverage. Now, with the sun coming out, and this is personal preference. You don't need to wear a ninja. I've got a nice inside, so I'm covered today. But for me, it's my personal preference. I feel comfortable. The heat doesn't affect me, so I'm okay with wearing the ninja. It covers everything. It covers the hair. Today, all you could do is probably wear just the undercap. Just that. Because the shawl is wide enough. It's, look at that. Look at how beautiful that is. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love it, love it, love it. The feel is so beautiful. And once you try it on as well, you will find it that way. But you can use this style with any scarf. Any scarf you have, it would work. So what we're going to do is we're going to put one shawl, one side, tiny bit shorter than the other side. And now I want to try this with you on camera. I did it a little bit differently to show you the inception, like how I started out, but I'm thinking of trying it while I have you with me and see if it works. And if it doesn't, then we'll go back to the other way that I wanted to show you. But basically, the front has to be just a tiny bit difference in length, okay? Just a tiny bit. So we're going to do it this way. I want the cap to show today, so I'm going to, and like I said, I want to try this with you. So what I'm going to do is pin this here. And I'm going to use a little stick pin, and I'm going to pin it here. And then I'm going to do the same for the other side. Now, when I started out this tutorial, this is not how I wanted to do it. But while talking to you, I decided to try it this way. If it doesn't work, then I'll go back to the old way. But this is what we're doing right now. We're just pinning the two sides. Okay, so there's no pin here for now. Now what we're going to do is take this side here, okay, the shorter side, and we're going to bring it over the head like that. See that? We just took the side from there, take it in the back, and just bring it like that. And you've got the width of the scarf right here. And this is what we're going to do. And now we're going to pin this here. See that? So it's like it's double there. And I'm going to use a small safety pin. So that's it there. It's nice and pinned. And now we're going to use this one, the longer one, and we're just going to bring it over here like that. It is so quick, so easy, so simple. And we're going to put a stick pin. Just going to pin it here. And now we've got all the scarf to fool around with for coverage. Simple as that. There's no need to pin anything else. You've got just one safety pin here. Look at that, how beautiful that is. And this is folding here, and it's bringing, just going to show you what it looks like once I've, you can put full coverage. You have lots of fabric here, like that. See that? It's beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. So let's do it that way. So then you'll see what it looks like in the back. I'm going to put 2 stick pin there, just so that we can have the coverage here. So one here. And remember the little trick, you try to get it onto the strap so it becomes really secure, it will not move. And that's it there. And we'll put another stick pin on the other side. It's very easy. You put a few folds over and you just give it a pin. And now we've got that nicely. Oh, that's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. And let me show you what it looks like. How is that? How is that? Isn't that beautiful? And how simple was that? Absolutely simple. So I'm going to move back a bit so you can see what that looks like. And now you've got the scarf sitting in the back, you've got the fold in front, and you are covered. Now, if you want to bring this even lower, you can do that, because I've just tucked it here to give it that look. But if you want even fuller coverage, you can absolutely do that because there's a lot of fabric and you are done. You've got one pin here. You've got that sitting nicely. It's absolutely beautiful. And we are done. Gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I hope you like that. What do you think? It was different. Now, if we don't want that showing, you can always start off with that here. The inner piece that we started out with, you can start it right at the corner, right at the edge of the cap, if you don't want the cap showing. Now, because my dress has got like a little bit of light blues and dark blues in there, I wanted the cap to show today. And that's why I'm showing you this tutorial with the cap showing. And if you want to put any pins anywhere, you don't need to. Everything is in place. Everything is in place. It's got some nice little folds there. And it is so beautiful, so easy. Well, now I hope you're going to try that because I'm trying to make it easy for you. I'm trying to research how we can do some different styles and it not being difficult. And I don't think this is difficult. Just try, just work with it. The most important thing is when you the first clip, you pin that and you have the shorter sitting on this side. It's just the way you pull it up to bring it, to give it the second fold over here. If you are having any issues with that, all you need to do is practice a little bit. Watch the video while you're doing it, and it's just holding it, bringing it, and pinning it here. Simple. Well, my dear viewers, I hope you enjoyed that. It was easy, it was simple, it's quick, it looks elegant, it's absolutely gorgeous, it's very respectful. You know, you go out of your home, you're a hijabi, and you put your hijab nicely. It's beautiful. And I hope each one of you take pride in your hijab. Be respectful. Because when you wear the hijab, you are carrying a big responsibility on your shoulders. Yes, you need to be respectful. You need to carry that hijab with a lot of respect. And I thank you for being with me. I thank you for sharing these moments with me. Now, if you like my video and you like what you saw today, please hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. It's up to you. Like I always say, if someone gets the urge or gets, you know, the call to put a hijab on because you have shared a link to them, absolutely the rewards are bountiful. So do your bit, share it with your friends and family, and please do subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe, you hit the all button. It's important when you subscribe, you hit that bell button. It gives you an option whether you want occasional, hit the all button so that you will never miss the videos. You don't have to necessarily watch them all the time if you don't have the time, but you know, when your spare time, you turn them on, you look at them, it will inspire you even more. So please do share with your friends and family and subscribe to the channel and stay with me because there's a lot more to come. I thank every one of you for being here with me. I hope you take care of yourselves. Please be vigilant about being safe. It's still very important. We still need to keep watching what we do, where we go, who we talk to, how we talk to. We must cover. So please do take care. And you know what? Be thankful for every moment. It's important. Whether it's a hard day, it's a good day, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala only gives a person more than he knows they can bear. Always remember that. Nothing happens without the mercies of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So whether it's trials or it's happiness or it's money or it's job, it's all from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So put your trust in him and take every moment for what it's worth. Be thankful for every moment. Be thankful for that moment. And make the best of every moment. Until we meet again, this is Naz saying Assalamu Alaikum.